heart, all by myself alone. I saw a light and I thought you might be home. Hope that you don't mind me stopping by late at night. I could use a cup of coffee and I hope that it's alright. Please, missus, won't you let me stay a while? Please, missus, won't you let me stay a while? I may not be good looking, but I'm someone, baby child. Please, missus, won't you let me stay a while? I've been walking down this lonesome road so long. My feet are tired and I think it's gonna storm. Appreciate your kindness, it goes a long, long way. Don't mean to take advantage.
This was an old bridge that had been used to service gravel island that used to be sold until around here. It's going to be replaced in the end.
Please, missus, won't you let me stay a while?
I'd be surprised this one was real.
May not be good looking, but I'm someone, baby child. Please, missus, won't you let me stay a while? They told me about you when I first came into town. They said your fence was broke, but you had no man around. I could help you fix it, tote your water, cut your wood. Anything that you might need, I really do it good. Oh, please, missus, won't you let me stay a while? Please, missus, won't you let me stay a while? May not be good looking, but I'm someone, baby child. Please, missus, won't you let me stay a while? One day, when it's time for traveling on, I got me a dusty hat and a dusty head to put it on. I still won't have much money or much hope of settling down. I just aim to do good work until I leave this town. Oh, please, missus, won't you let me stay a while? Please, missus, won't you let me stay a while? I may not be good looking, but I'm someone, baby child. Please, missus, won't you let me stay a while? Oh, please, missus, won't you let me stay a while? Please, missus, won't you let me stay a while? I may not be good looking, but I'm someone, baby child. Please, missus, won't you let me stay a while?